Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best basting brushes. So let's get started. Number 7. OXO Good Grip Silicone Pastry Brush. This relatively small OXO basting brush is among the best on the market. Loved by those that already own it, this unassuming brush may very well help you step up your kitchen game and dial it up to the max. OXO's basting brush is the perfect choice for most cooks, capable of performing many daily tasks. You will find it to be an irreplaceable part of your kitchen setup after just a few uses. These are the words of people that already own this incredible brush. This stylish black brush has a very interesting, unique bristle design that both makes glazing a breeze and helps you maintain the brush in good condition. Number 6. Basting Brush Silicone Heat-Resistant Pastry Brushes. Why get just one brush when you can get several? This is a whole set of 3 basting brushes, each different and suited to different tasks. Buying this will save you time and money in the long run, while keeping your kitchen well equipped for years to come. This set of 3 brushes by Conservision is the ideal choice for those that love cooking and want to have the right tools for it. After all, it's one thing to cook because you have to, and another to cook because you love it. In both those cases, but especially in the latter, you deserve to have the best equipment in your kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Pastry Brush Natural Bristle Wooden. The first natural bristle brush on our list will provide a worthy alternative to its synthetic counterparts. This long-bristled brush is capable of filling a niche of its own, and then some. While natural bristled brushes are not the option that everyone wants to go with, they are by no means any worse than the brushes that have synthetic bristles. This brush is proof of that. Made out of 100% natural boar hair and wood, it's really soft and will suit many types of tasks. Number 4. Natural Boar Bristle Pastry Brushes. As mentioned above, it's definitely good to have more than just one basting brush. That is why manufacturers often sell them in affordable sets such as this one. This set of 2 natural boar bristle brushes will be a helpful addition to any kitchen. These brushes are premium quality, and you will be able to tell at first glance. The handles were made out of top-quality lacquered handle, and then topped off with brown nylon ferrules. They have a professional look about them that any cook is sure to appreciate. Number 3. Silicone Basting and Pastry Brushes by AdeptChef. This colorful set of 4 amazing silicone brushes is going to be more than enough to cover most of your cooking needs, and it will look great while doing so. One of the best things about these brushes is that they come in 4 different vibrant colors. Not only will they bring a fresh breath of life to any kitchen design, they will also make glazing and cooking easier. They are incredibly easy to clean and dishwasher safe, but you can also clean them by hand. They are also very heat resistant and will easily stand temperatures of up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Winco Pastry Brush. This compact-sized brush features a set of boar bristles that are ideal for glazing and coating. For those that want a natural bristled brush that is still very durable, you really can't go wrong with this one. This brush, ideal for smaller tasks such as decorating or glazing with greater precision, is ideal for all types of coating work. The bristles, being natural, are rather soft, but you can still use it for more precise tasks. This is due to how densely the bristles are attached to the brush. Number 1. SILCONY Oil Brush. Vibrantly colored and versatile, these brushes will make cooking and baking a complete breeze. Aside from looking beautiful with their 3 different colors, blue, green, and yellow, these brushes will make your baking even easier with their variety. How, you might ask? This is due to the fact that the different colors will make it easy for you to discern between different flavors of glazing or coating. As such, you will avoid cross-flavoring with these basting brushes.